Hello there and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the new products from the Sparkle Season holiday release. It's a die set called the Dainty Scallop Rectangle die set. This die set has 6 dies that cut differing sizes of rectangles, all with a scalloped edge, and the scallops are open, so it's very dainty. Now we're going to look at what each of these rectangles look like die cut, from the largest all the way down to the smallest rectangle. I love that with these dies you can die cut them together to create a frame. You can also use the inner rectangle that you die cut out as an element for another card. This rectangle, the largest size, fits very nicely on an A2 size card. You can also inlay a different color rectangle into that opening that you die cut out. Another thing you should know is this set works really well with the Modern Embossed Rectangle die set in the A2 size. So you can take one of those rectangles, die cut out the middle, and then you have a very thin frame of just scallops. Look how pretty that is. And this will inlay very nicely into our previously die cut out rectangle. I am going to make a card with this setup right here, but first I wanted to show you that there is also a Dainty Scallop circle set. If you love the rectangles, you'll probably love the circles as well. Next, I have my card that I made using those 2 Dainty Scallop rectangle frames inlaid together to create a shaker card. I think these are a really fun way to dress up a simple card, add a little something extra special. Here are 2 more cards created by our design team so that you can see these rectangles in action. I love how this one just has a little bit of the scallop peeking out from behind the rectangle. That is it for today's video. I thank you so much for stopping by. You can find more inspiration from Trinity Stamps on Instagram and Facebook too. I'll see you soon. Bye.